Much to the dismay of the DC fans around the world and taking the internet by the storm, British actor Henry Cavill confirmed that he will not be returning as Superman through a statement posted on social media on December 15th. The 39-year-old actor shared the news after a meeting with director James Gunn and producer Peter Safran. The announcement comes amid momentous change at DC Studios and the parent company Warner Brothers, which has been slashing scores of projects to cut costs after merging with Discovery Inc. In a series of tweets, Gunn addressed the future of DCU and cleared the air about Cavill not playing the lead anymore. On Wednesday, Cavill confirmed the news and wrote on Instagram that Gunn and his co-chair Peter Safran had met with him to deliver the news. "I will, after all, not be returning as Superman," Cavill wrote. After being told by the studio to announce my return back in October prior to their hire, this news isn't the easiest, but that's life. The changing of the guard is something that happens. I respect that. James and Peter have a universe to build. I wish them and all involved with the new universe the best of luck and the happiest of fortunes. My turn to wear the cape has passed, but what Superman stands for never will. It's been a fun ride with you all, onwards and upwards, Cavill added. He further went on to write, "For those who have been by my side throughout the years, we can mourn for a bit, but then we must remember Superman is still around. Everything he stands for still exists, and the examples he sets for us are still there. My return to wear the cape has passed, but what Superman stands for never will." Henry's confirmation has left his fans disappointed. Earlier, the actor had broken the news of his return as a DC superhero via an Instagram post on October 24th. The video was posted after the release of Black Adam, which saw Cavill's return as Superman in a post-credit scene in the film. The scene saw Cavill's Superman coming face-to-face with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's Black Adam. Cavill has played Superman since the 2013 film Man of Steel and last appeared in the role in a cameo in Black Adam earlier this year. In October, after resigning from the lead role in the Netflix show The Witcher, he announced that he would be returning to play Superman again.